Well, the week has been fantastic for different reasons. I haven't really been anywhere for the last 2 years. So to be able to be among peers from other countries and other institutions is just really you can't do it on Zoom or online. It's this human contact, and I've gotten to know a lot of great people from other institutions. We have contacts, so that's been great. So I think culturally speaking, I'm just exposed to a lot of new things, and so I think culturally speaking is very enriching. Personally, I can just take away from a lot of the different ideas that that the others had, and in a way, it's about sharing, exchanging. So that's certainly a purpose that's been fulfilled. It was very fruitful and eventful, and I think now the work starts for me, because all the contacts, then I'm gonna write them, talk to them, and see what exactly we can do. So that's going to be a long road and a very interesting one.
Yeah, this week was enriching and comforting also, because I realized that we are often struggling with the same issues, working on the same ideas that we want to develop. Now that I see that I have so many lovely colleagues here around me in this international week, I think we can do this together.